Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make toffee packet full guide. Preheat a heavy pan, melt butter and sugar, and cook to a deep amber stage while stirring constantly to prevent burning. Measure ingredients accurately, use a candy thermometer for 290 degrees F, and prepare parchment-lined trays. Add nuts or sea salt if desired, pour evenly, cool completely, then break into pieces and store in airtight containers for crisp texture. I'll walk you through ingredients, tools, and timing so your toffee packet turns out perfect every time. Use unsalted butter, granulated sugar, a pinch of baking soda, and optional toasted nuts for crunch. Choose a heavy-bottomed pan and a reliable candy thermometer to hit hard crack temperatures. Line trays with parchment, have a cooling rack ready, and work efficiently because caramel sets quickly and timing makes the difference for glossy, brittle toffee pieces. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more candy tutorials. On another note, the socks I'm wearing while cooking are amazingly comfortable. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long kitchen sessions. I appreciate your support and hope these tips save you time and mess. Check the description for that link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Stirring technique and temperature control are the keys to a perfect toffee packet, and small adjustments prevent burnt sugar. Keep a steady simmer, avoid high heat spikes, and use a wet pastry brush to dissolve crystals on pan sides. If sugar graininess appears, remelt gently and add a splash of water, then reheat to temperature. Cool slowly for fewer air bubbles, and test a small piece before packing to ensure desired snap and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.